I am Kyla Sophia Plantar, the President of Nabotas Fisheries and Aquaculture Workers Union. Our immediate goals include first, securing fair wages and benefits that reflect the hard work and dedication of our members. Second, promoting safer working environments to prevent accidents and protect the health of our workers. Next is advocating for sustainable fishing and aquaculture practices that safeguard our resources and livelihoods for generations to come. Lastly, ensuring access to essential social protections and support our members and their families. Our mission is clear: to empower Nabotas fishers and aquaculture workers through unity, advocacy, and collective bargaining. We strive to secure their rights, improve their well-being, and ensure a prosperous and dignified future for all who contribute to this essential industry. Our community faces immediate issues: unfair labor practices, low pay, and precocious work on fishing vessels and aquaculture, unsafe working conditions on fishing vessels and aquaculture, environmental degradation, and unsustainable practices of the industry are degrading fish stocks and livelihoods. And we want increased social protection designed for workers suffering through economic hardship. Join the Nabotas Fisheries and Aquaculture Workers Union today. Let's address these issues, strengthen our community, and create a better future together. Your voice counts. Our unity is our strength.